Hi there guys and gals, good day to each every one of you. Welcome to my day 5 here in San Roque, Legazpi City. I'm going back now there in Manila. I'll just take a walk going there at the corner of Calle Siping. Tara na. Ay! Isakay mo na. Isakay mo na yung ano. Ha? Hindi, lakad lang ako. Sabi mo kanto lang ng ano. Hindi. Siyempre magano pa yan. Saglit lang yan. Ikaw na lang ang sumaka. Dalawa na lang kayo sumakay. Sa kanto lang ng Calle Siping ha. Sa kanto lang ng Calle Siping yan. Bye-bye. So I'll just take a walk for me to save 12 pesos. And since I still have a little more time. Goodbye San Roque for a while. Hi! My fellow townmate. You know what? I changed my mind. Actually, my original plan is 8 o'clock and then I changed to 4 p.m. and then I changed again for 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Did I say 8 p.m.? 8 a.m. So here I am now. Hold on. So this is Calle Siping. Right there at the corner. Bye for now. Main volcano. She's hiding.